If you want to change font style on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our display section. Here it is. In your display section, we're gonna find font size and style. Open it up. So press on your font style. You can choose from the preset fonts, or you can download new fonts. And you can find a huge list of them. For example, let's download this one. Why not? Make sure that it's free, because some of them are paid. All right, this one is prepaid, so let's find something else. Let's press stop free, and let's use this Rosemary. All right, now we gotta go back. We can find our Rosemary font, simply tap on it. You can adjust its size, and you can make it bold, for example. Now simply go back, and there you are. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.